My name is Amrit Ray. I wear many hats, first of all as a father and as a spouse, but then also as a rare disease parent and as a rare disease advocate, and then also as a physician researcher and as a company leader. When we're in this difficult situation, many uncertainties confront us, and I think one of the first things that we can do is turn to science. We turn to science to find a way forward in terms of vaccines and in terms of antivirals, but do that in a way that we've never done before. In vaccine research, we're accelerating the work. We are working with partners so that we can bring the best of science inside or outside the company, bring the whole healthcare ecosystem together to bring a vaccine to the table as quickly as possible. If you look at clinical trials, we're now moving ahead in a number of ways that are quite different. We're moving ahead with unprecedented speed. We're moving ahead with unprecedented data sharing across companies, across academic institutions. We're moving ahead in close partnership with regulatory authorities to try and make the impossible possible. The resourcefulness that's needed at this time is different, and we've gone back to thousands and thousands of molecules in compound libraries to see whether there could be antiviral effects against SARS-CoV-2. I think that could translate over as we set some new precedents, and as we look for rare disease treatments and therapies, we have an opportunity now to not make those something that is just for this moment, but to make them a permanent part of the future so we can accelerate finding treatments, I think, for all disease areas, including rare diseases. Pfizer and everyone in the biopharmaceutical industry is in a strong position to make a contribution and find a way forward. As a rare disease dad, the thing that's foremost in my mind is making sure that in addition to everyone staying safe and well, that the efforts that are needed on rare disease R&D continue and that they don't get left behind and forgotten. I know that at Pfizer we have 1,000 people that are working on rare disease R&D, and I know that they are all committed. I want to be reassured that across all of industry, while we put our efforts into fighting COVID-19, we're also continuing the efforts on rare disease research, because the clock is ticking for rare diseases and the clock is ticking for many patients that are waiting. I think we need to make sure that we stay focused on all of them right now. We are all facing unprecedented challenges and there are many uncertainties. The one thing that I feel confident in is that we can turn to science and that science will win. I know that if we put our collective efforts into science, that offers us the best hope.